Following a Justin Haley diecast is a hard feat to follow because of how much love and praise I always give his cars because I love them so much. But if there's anyone can do it, it is a Chase Hooters car. Obviously, we're going to be looking at the 2020 Give a Hoot one here. So we've got the blacked out matte coloring there, and then we obviously have the pink, the purple. I don't know. It's pink or purple. I would say it's more but it's supposed to be pink because it's meant to be for breast cancer. But I think it looks more purple. But that's besides the point. I think it may look a little bit more pink in real life, but on this diecast, it does look a little bit more purple than maybe they intended it to. But still, it does look super nice. I am a big fan of the coloration on this car. You can see that we've obviously gone with the traditional Hooter scheme here. I haven't uploaded my other Hooter schemes, but I have all of the Hooter schemes for Chase. So I've got all the different colors. I have the straight up Night Owl one. I've got the white and orange one. I've got the truck and the other pink one that he ran as well, not in the Night Owl variation, just of the normal Hooter scheme as well. And those two are autographed, the two normal ones, or the white and pink, and then the orange and white ones. I didn't get these ones autographed because I just really can't be bothered to pay so much extra for autographs anymore when they cost like $150. It's really just not worth it. I have enough autographed Chase cars for a lifetime, so that's not a huge deal. But anyways, yeah, so we're looking at this his scheme here. You've seen it. You either love it, you hate it, whatever the case may be, but it is a scheme. We've got the Hooter scheme here. It is what it is. If you see the front, we just got the black, obviously the Hooters logo in pink. On the side of the car here, we have the normal scheme just in pink again, but I actually think it looks really nice in pink. I know some people didn't like it as much, but to me, I actually think it looks super nice in the pink that it came in. So big fan of this coloration on the car. We've obviously got the 3 race wins up here from the 3 wins that he has on the car when he ran it at this point in time. It's kind of crazy that Chase has had 3 wins so early, and now he doesn't have any so far through this year yet, which is crazy because he's been running well, just hasn't got it done. Kind of always fades to the back near to the end. And then we've got the back with just the Hooters.com/give foundation on there. DIN on this car is 714, so nothing memorable there. This was a short video, but honestly, I just wanted to show off the car for those who want to see it. But obviously, not too much going on with this scheme in terms of anything new or special. We've seen variations of the scheme over the last couple of years, which isn't a bad thing. It is an iconic scheme, a scheme that I really like, but it doesn't really have the need to really make a long in-depth video on. So this will be a quick one, but make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.